everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Spain at unlimited data. So before we get started, you will need to click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. So actually guys, first you will need to go and tap on the search bar right here and then just look for Spain. Then just tap the country. And of course the eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for Spain with different duration depending on how long you're staying. So for example, eSIM currently offers until a month, right? So a couple of days. So for example, I can go with the 20 days right here and then choose the number of the eSIMs. So for example, I do want only one eSIM and then I will go with the checkout price. So it's only for the $54 for 15 days. Or 20 days, so actually it's so cheap, right? And a good price to go with. And here you will need to choose a payment method and then just go with pay right here. Right, so then you will need to enter your bank infos or your PayPal account, etc. So now I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile on your phone. So actually guys, at first you will need to go to the eSIM page and then just go with install eSIM. Alright, so tap on install right here and then go with the eSIM plan, tap on done and then just go and turn on the line and the data roaming. So that's the first method. The second one is to go with your device settings, mobile data, go with add data plan and then go with use the QR code, scan the QR code and enable the data roaming and the or turn on the line 2. For the Android device, guys, you will need to go to the help center of the eSIM app and then just go with the eSIM installation option. Go ahead and go with install and then just go to the settings and actually you will need to activate the eSIM or the eSIM in the SIM manager and enable the data roaming and then restart your phone if necessary or requested. And also guys, we have the second method. It's the same, so it's scanning the QR code. So you all need to go with your phone settings, connections, and then go with SIM card manager, go with add mobile data plan and then you will need to scan the QR code and of course to enable the data roaming. So actually guys, once again, if you want to check the latest eSIM plans and prices for Spain, click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.